Hi everyone, welcome to DermaBytes with Dr. Viv. I'm Dr. Vivian Oputa. How are you doing today? Thank you for joining me. Now, today we'll be talking about dull, lifeless skin. I have a lot of people complaining all the time. My skin looks so dull, it looks so lifeless. What am I going to do to make it look its best, to have this radiance and the inner glow that everybody is after? Now, for starters, dead cell buildup could be a major contributor to you having this dull, dead veil of cells. Your skin actually sheds over 1 million dead cells every day, but some of these cells don't shed naturally, so need help. In this kind of situation, you look out for ingredients like a toner containing alpha hydroxy and beta hydroxy acids. Then you should also use a moisturizer that contains this too. You could scrub your skin, say once or twice a week. I recommend using a gentle scrub, something that contains some of these exfoliating ingredients and also the softest polystyrene beads as opposed to the rough, harsh, sharp, scratchy granules that could actually tear your skin, giving you micro abrasions. That's what we call them, tiny tears that are probably invisible. But of course, when you put your toner on, you will know that you're stinging a lot because you've breached your skin. And so I recommend you stay away from those. And then also scrubbing your face with so much force could be a problem because, just be gentle when you're scrubbing your face. If you now are really scrubbing it like sandpapering it, in addition to breaching the skin, you could stretch out the skin and then you start to wrinkle and sag prematurely. Nobody wants that, right? I know nobody wants that. Another problem you may face that could contribute to the dullness is the pollution. We're in a polluted environment. This is a place where we're exposed to generator fumes, to exhaust from cars, industrial waste. There's so much pollution. Our water is polluted as well. So these are things that could affect the way your skin looks. Now, because of this pollution, you should do all you can to make sure at the end of the day, before you go to bed, you wash your face properly and of course have a bath because the rest of your body could be affected too. So when you wash your face, if you notice that you've been exposed to a lot of grime or pollution, you might need to boost the regular wash by using a soft bristle brush. This facial brush, you just go around gently. Please be very gentle all the time. You don't want to stretch out your skin. Now, this will help to thoroughly or completely remove the pollutants. I know some people like using cleansing facial wipes, but you know what? They will not effectively remove pollution. So washing is best. So please don't be lazy. Just treat your skin well. Just pay attention to it and give it the care it needs all the time, right? Now, another factor that affects everyone is stress. Stress contributes to dull, lifeless skin, and how it does this is that once you're in a stressful situation, the stress hormone called cortisol is released. And what this does, it redirects blood flow to vital organs. So of course your skin suffers. The blood flow to your skin is redirected to your vital organs to preserve your life. And without the blood flow, your skin loses its oxygenation, loses nutrient delivery and detoxification. So of course will look really dull. Now, stress is something that we can't avoid, but we have to learn how to manage it. So make sure you try to meditate, take your mind off things, and don't expose yourself to too much negativity because there's so much out there now. You might want to do a little shopping, some retail therapy, which is something I love. So please learn how to manage stress because it will age you and it's just of no use to you. Now, another factor is dehydration. I hope you drink enough water because dehydration will make your skin look very dull as well. Now, another thing that happens is that when you're dehydrated, your intracellular water could be depleted and the lower layers of your epidermis and upper and most of your dermis loses water, so the cells are now laid in a, let's just say, they're not uniformly laid down. So because of this, the skin will look really dull and lifeless until you reintroduce your water. So make sure you drink enough water every day. As I say, 3 liters a day for the average 70-kilogram man. Another important factor, of course, is what you eat. If you eat junk food, your skin will look just like that. So it's important to eat life-giving foods, a well-balanced diet, and also to take nutritional supplements to fill in nutritional gaps. Now, you should look out for certain nutrients in vitamins like selenium, copper, iron, zinc, and of course your essential fatty acids. Now, essential fatty acids really go a long way. They help boost the ceramides in your skin cells so that, you know, they prevent your cells from losing what we call its intracellular water. So when your cells are plump, your skin glows, you see? So make sure you take your vitamin supplements all the time. There are loads for beauty. Now, sun damage is another contributor to dull, lifeless skin. We all know that the sun is the leading cause of premature aging. So you really need to protect yourself from the sun. You should use your sunblock, for starters, and then of course avoid the sun as much as possible if you can. But of course, once you're well protected, that's all well and good. Another thing that could happen is your hormones. If you're somebody who suffers from a condition called polycystic ovarian syndrome, which happens to women, where you have low estrogen levels allowing testosterone, the male hormone, which naturally occurs in women, to take over function, and this could lead to increased oil production. Your skin looks really slippery and slick, your pores are open and dilated, and you may break out as well. So if you have this, this is not, the skin doesn't look right. It just looks very unhealthy, and you can see your dermatologist or your gynecologist if you have this kind of situation going on. Women have certain stages where there could be hormonal imbalances, starting from puberty to during the menstrual cycle or during menopause. So if you have problems that are really distressing, please see your doctor for help. Now, there are some conditions. There's another hormonal skin condition called melasma, where the pigmentation is as a result of hormonal imbalances. So using topical agents most of the time makes it almost impossible to treat. So you have to have your hormones balanced, and then in some situations there are intensive topical treatments that can help address melasma. But for some reason, in some women, even after clearing that pigment, it comes back again. So I hope these help. It's important for you to continuously take care of your skin, because your skin is your best asset and it reflects well-being. I hope you enjoyed listening today. Thank you for watching.